So today I will start the exercise 2.1 and this is your class 8 book. Okay, open your class 8 book and exercise 2.1, that is the law of exponents. And in this exercise I will explain you about the negative exponents. So when there is a negative exponent, then what does it mean? Like when you have 1 by 5, okay, then this can be written as 5 to the power minus 1. Okay, so this is the negative exponents. So similarly, for example, there is a formula like this, that is, if a to the power minus 1 is there, then you can write this as 1 by a, right? So, and similarly, if you have any rational number, for example, p by q is any rational number and its power is minus 1, then this will be q by p, okay, and its power will be 1 in this case, or only q by p. So you must remember this, how to convert the negative exponents to the positive. So here this is minus 1, so if you make it positive, then you have to write the reciprocal of p by q, that is q by p. So that is the meaning of here the negative exponents. And similarly, suppose you have 1 by a to the power m, where a is any rational number, then it will be written as a to the power minus m. Okay, remember this formula. Okay, here this is the formula actually, so you must remember this formula. And now I will solve the questions from this exercise. And also there are some more topics, like if you have any rational number and the power of this is 0, then its value is always 1. Okay, that is, if you have any rational number like p by q and it is raised to the power 0, then its value is always 1, like 2 by 3 to the power 0 equal to 1, and so on. So here you will remember these two formulas, that is 1 by a to the power m equal to a to the power minus m, or its reverse is also true, that is, if you have this, then you can write this, or if this is this, then you can write this. And also here p by q to the power 0 equal to 1. So now here the question number 1. In question number 1, you have to write the given question in the exponential form. So here the first question is minus 7 to the power minus 3 and minus 7 to the power 4. So it will be written as, again, remember the formula here, base is same here, so it will be minus 7 to the power minus 3 plus 4, and this will be equal to minus 7 to the power minus 3 plus 4 is 1, that is minus 7 is the answer. And here we don't have to write this answer here, we have to leave this here in this way, because the question is to express the given expressions in the exponential form. So this is the answer in this case, that is minus 7 to the power 1. And question number B. Minus 6 to the power 1 into minus 6 to the power minus 6. So it will be minus 6 to the power 1 plus minus 6. Because here the base is same, so the power will be added. So minus 6 to the power 1 plus minus 6 will be minus 5. So this is the exponential form of this. Question number C. 4 by 7 to the power minus 3 into 4 by 7 to the power minus 5. And now again here it will be 4 by 7 to the power minus 3 plus minus 5 is equal to 4 by 7 to the power minus 8. So this is the exponential form. And now next question. In the next question we have to simplify and write the answers of the following with the positive exponents here. So here in this we have to simplify and write the answer in the positive exponents. So the question number 2, 1. a here minus 5 by 4 to the power 4 divided by minus 5 by 6 to the power minus 6. So here again use the formula, and then it will be minus 5 by 4 to the power 4 minus 6, because there is a division here. So remember the formula, that is a to the power m divided by a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n, and according to this formula you will write this, and then minus 5 by 4 to the power, now it will be 4 plus 6, it will be 10. So this is the answer here, because 10 is positive, this exponent 10 is positive, so this is the answer. Question number B. 2 by 3 to the power 28 divided by 2 by 3 to the power 24. So 2 by 3 to the power 28 minus 24. So it will be 2 by 3 to the power 4. So here again it is positive. So this is the answer. And next I will do question number D. It is 8 by 7 to the power minus 7 divided by 8 by 7 to the power minus 5. So it will be 8 by 7 to the power minus 7 minus 5. It is equal to 8 by 7 to the power minus 7 plus 5. That is 8 by 7 to the power minus 2. Now here observe this here, that it is 8 by 7 and the power is here negative, minus 2 here. So, and we have to make this positive here. So what would you do here? That just find the reciprocal of this, then it will be positive. That is, it will be equal to 7 by 8, and then power will be here 2 in this case. Okay, so this is the answer in this case. In this, so this is the question number 2. Now question number 3. Find the values of the following. We have to find the values of the following, and here first question is here 6 to the power 0 into 3 to the power 0 into 5 to the power 0, and I have just explained to you that when the power is 0 its value is 1, so it is 1 here. 1 into 1 into 1 equal to 1. This is the answer. So here all the questions are easy. In this question number I will do question number D here. Here again you have a to the power 0 and c to the power 0 and divided by 5 to the power 0 into a to the power 0. This plus here. Now it will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 and divided by 1 plus 1. That is 3 divided by 2 equal to 3 by 2. So this is the answer of this question. And the next question number 4. Simplify the following. Question number A. 3 square into 4 to the power minus 3 and 3 square into 4 cube here. Now because all these are multiplied, so there is no meaning of this bracket here. Okay, you can write this as 3 square 4 to the power minus 3 into 3 square into 4 to the power 3. Okay, so now here you can combine these 3 to the power 2 plus 2 and into 4 to the power minus 3 plus 3. So it will be 3 to the power 4 and this will be 4 to the power 0. So in this case it will be 3 to the power 4 into 1. That is, it will be equal to 81. So this is the answer in this case. Now question number D. 3 by 7 minus 6 and divided by 3 by 7 to the power minus 6, and we have to simplify this. So it will be 3 by 7 to the power minus 6, then minus 6, that will be equal to 3 by 7 to the power 0 equal to 1. This is the answer. And question number 5, evaluate the following. Okay, so this is the question, and in this we have to simplify. So see here that it is 1 by 3 to the power minus 2, so it will be written as 3 to the power 2, and then this will be written as also 1 by 9 to the power minus 2, so it will be 9 by 1 to the power 2. So I will write only 9 because 9 by 1 is equal to 9 only, so 9 to the power 2 here, and this will be divided by here 1 by 3 square, because power is negative, so it will be this, and then it is 3 3 are 9 minus 9 9 are 81, so this here, and this will be 1 by 9, and 9 minus 81 will be minus 72 divided by 1 by 9 is equal to minus 72 into 9 by 1. So this is the answer of this question. Then I will do question number D. One by 2 to the power minus 3 into 1 by 3 to the power 2 and to the power minus 1, and divided by 6 by 5. So first solve this bracket. So it will be here 1 by 2 to the power minus 3 here again, so it will be 2 to the power 3, and here 1 by 3 to the power 2 to the power minus 1, so these two power will be multiplied, so it will be 1 by 3 to the power minus 2, and here write into 5 by 6, then this will be 2 to the 4 to the 8, and into here will be 3 to the power 2 into 5 by 6. So 8 into 9 into 5 by 6 here, so 3 to the 6 and 3 to the 9 and 2 4 the 8, so it will be answer 60. Okay, so I did this question also, and you will do the remaining questions, because I am not doing all the questions, because you have to do also, and you must solve all those questions which I am not solving, and also you will solve those questions which I am solving. So question number 6 now. In the question number 6, find the value of k. So I will solve your question number A, and in this minus 7 to the power minus 3 into 7 to the power 3k plus 2 equal to 7 to the power 15 divided by 7 to the power 8. So in this we have to find value of k. So first solve this here. It is the power is negative here. So because the power is odd in this case, so it will be negative. Here it is not negative here, only positive there. Okay. So now it is write here that this is 7 to the power minus 3 plus 3k plus 2 and is equal to 7 to the power 15 minus 8. And this implies 7 to the power 3k minus 1 is equal to 7 to the power 7. Now on both sides the base is same, therefore the exponents must be equal. Here the base is 7 here both sides though, so the exponents must be equal. And therefore you have 3k minus 1 equal to 7, then 3k equal to 8, then k equal to 8 by 3. So this is the answer. Now question number 7. Question number 7, by what number should this be multiplied so as to get answer 1? By what number should this be? Okay, that is suppose by what number should 5 be multiplied? Okay, so that the answer is 10. Okay, by what number 5 should be multiplied so that the answer is 10? That is 10 divided by 5, that is 2 here. So answer is 2 in this case. So similarly also you will think like this and then find the answer. For example here, what number should this be multiplied? Like minus 5 by 6 to the power minus 1 and divided, what number should multiply by this? That is so that answer is minus 1. It means that you will divide minus 1 by this number. So the required number is, you will write required number equal to minus 1 divided by minus 5 by 6 to the power minus 1. Okay, that is, if you think in this way, then the answer will be easier in this way also. Because you see that what should be multiplied in 5 to get answer 10 here. So you will literally give the answer, it is 2 here. That is 10 divided by 5. So here also minus 1 divided by this, you will get this number. So now solve this. Minus 1 divided by, it is minus 5 by 6 and power is minus 1 here. So if you make it positive, then it will be the reciprocal of minus 5 by 6. It will be minus 6 by 5 and then power will be 1 here. And then minus 1 divided by minus 6 by 5. And then next it will be minus 1 into minus 5 by 6. That is answer is 5 by 6. So the required number is 5 by 6. So when you multiply this number with 5 by 6, then answer will be minus 1. Similarly, you can solve other questions like question number 8 is the same as question number 7. And okay, so now I will solve question number 10. Question number 10. So here, for any non-zero rational number p, which of the following statements are true here? Okay, we have to find which is true or which is false. So I will just explain you only one question B. So in this p to the power minus 2x into p to the power minus y is equal to p to the power minus 2x minus y. So whether this is true or false, find out. So here the power, that is both here the base is same. So it will be p to the power minus 2x and plus minus y, and here it is p to the power minus 2x minus y. Now this will be p to the power 2x minus y equal to p to the power minus 2x minus y. Now see that both sides are equal. So this statement is true. Okay, so in this way also you will find out the answer of other questions in this question number 10. So this one is the last question. So this now this chapter is finished. Okay, so now you have the homework. Okay, in this exercise you will solve all the questions from the exercise 2.1 of this book. That is your homework. Okay, thank you for watching.